Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your Ford F-350 key fob. First, identify your specific key fob model and gather the necessary tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a well-lit, clean area to work in, which will help prevent losing small parts. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or slot, usually on the side. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twist, carefully pry the two halves of the fob apart. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage to the casing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Then, carefully remove the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all internal components are correctly positioned. Gently press the halves together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob on your Ford F-350 to ensure it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.